Alright, changing the rear final drive fluid in a 2012 Mark 6 Golf R. Here's the fill plug. Here's the drain plug. We're going to crack the drain plug loose first and then drain out the fluid. Alright, there's our fill plug. I have a drain pan all lined up. Alright, with it draining to a slow drip, we're going to take a new drain plug. It's the same part number, I'll put it in the description. We're going to put a new one of these on the drain. We're going to put a new one of these on the drain, clean it up, and then we'll pump new fluid in. We'll start it by hand, and we'll take our torque wrench, which is set to 15 Newton meters. We'll take our fluid here. This is the fluid for the rear, and we're going to pump it in. We're going to pump it in using one of these here. The neck's not going to fit, but it'll be close enough. Alright, now that we got a slow drip coming out, after filling it, we're going to put our fill plug in, start it by hand. When I was filling, the hose was slightly too big, so I wound up going and getting a 1/4 inch outer diameter piece of tubing to put into that hose. That way I could get it to situate itself and stay in the hole. And again, we have our torque wrench with our 5mm Allen set to 15 Newton meters. Go ahead and torque down the fill plug. We'll just verify our torque once more. Up. And we'll mark them so we know that we torqued them. Alright, now we just need to dispose of our fluid.